Hi guys, today I'm gonna bring you another tutorial. We're gonna draw Luffy from One Piece. First, make a square. I'm using the pencil substitute as the ruler. You can use ruler or pencil or anything that can create a straight line. Now I'm dividing the square into 4 quadrants. And I can see the middle line, the horizontal middle line, and the vertical middle line. That way I can find the top of our image and the bottom and the center of our image. And since Luffy wore a hat, a giant hat at that, so his head is gonna be lower because the top part is gonna be his hat. And that's why we draw the nose under the center line. Now just get the basic down. No need to go into the details. We want to make sure our positioning are correct. For Luffy, his eyes is just under the center line as well. Make sure to fix everything. So as long as you're happy with the image, it's fine. Notice the base of the ear, the bottom of the ear is parallel to the mouth. It's on a straight line with the mouth. Okay, after some fixing and reworking the face, I erased the center line and the box. Now all I'm doing is adding more details to the face, darkening the top of the eyelids, the eyebrows, and anywhere I feel like it needs more thickened line. Now I'm just drawing the hat. Notice the hat is not a perfect square or a perfect olive, because there's jagged and edges and everything like that in the real world. So I make sure the hat has some imperfections. Now let's shade now let's shade the hair. The parts that need to be darkened. Next, I want to add some shading to the clothing as well. And there's a part on the top of the hat, just shading that as well. Leave some white so it looks kind of like reflecting. Okay, I think we're done. I very much enjoyed this picture. Hope you guys like it too. See you guys next time.